Sometimes I forget to use active listening in class. When that happens, learning can become harder for me and for others. When I forget to listen carefully, I may miss instructions. My teacher may need to remind me again. When I talk, move around, or interrupt, other students may feel distracted. I may also feel upset or left out when they ignore me. Active listening helps me follow instructions, understand the lesson, and get along with others. Active listening means I keep my hands quiet, my feet quiet, and my mouth quiet. Active listening also means my ears are listening, my eyes are watching, and my brain is thinking. When I use active listening, I understand better, need fewer reminders, and can do my work more easily. When I use active listening, my teacher can help my friends and I enjoy learning together, and I can feel proud of myself.